Hey guys, it's Johnny with RV SWAT, and today we're going to be installing the Power Watchdog Surge Protector from Hughes Autoformers, so stay tuned. Alright, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to get this surge protector installed. And there's two reasons I chose this particular surge protector. One, it's Bluetooth and I love to monitor stuff, and two, it's also compatible with my RV Whisper system, which I am going to shoot a separate video when I add this to my RV Whisper system. So if you're wondering what that is, I'll put up top, I'll put a link to the playlist so you can go back and watch the installation of the RV Whisper system, and then that'll prepare you for watching this unit getting added onto the RV Whisper system. But let's go ahead and get this one unboxed, and in this video we're going to hook this one up and install the standalone app that goes with this one. Alright, I'm going to get this one opened up, and the first thing you see is the warranty paper and the instruction manual. We're just going to set that aside for now, and we're going to open up the box and cut the straps to get the unit out. So we're going to cut that, get that out of here, and then this should pull right out, and this is the actual surge protector. Now there are several models to this one. So this model has the EPO. This is the EPO model. That's the emergency power off option, and we'll get into more details about that later. You can also go with a model that doesn't have EPO, and you can go with hardwired models also that you hardwire into your system. But for us, this was the best option. Alright, so this is ready to go out to the pedestal. Before we go out there, so in the instruction manual you have the warranty card. You have two options here. You can either fill out the warranty card and send it in, or you can now do the warranty online at HughesAutoformers.com, and it says the warranty registration is listed under the customer service tab. So go there, customer service tab, you can register your warranty there. They also send you a couple of stickers, because let's face it, everyone does stickers now. And then the instruction manual. Now I have browsed this briefly, and it's pretty much just easy steps. So what we're going to do is download and install the app on your phone, which I've already done. You plug the device into shore power, and the face on the device should turn white. And then we're going to open the app and add the device. Hit add device, and we're going to scan the barcode on the device, and then at that point we should be able to go into the app, and I'll show you what that's all about. So meet me outside at the pedestal. We're going to plug this thing in, and we're going to hope we get a white face, because the park that we're actually at right now, we have a 50 amp rig. This is a 50 amp surge protector. The park we are at is only 30 amp service, so I'm going through a 30 amp dog bone, so I'm not sure how the surge protector is going to act stepping down to 30 amps, so we're going to find that out together. Meet you at the pedestal. Alright, so we're at the pedestal, and like I said, we have 30 amp right now, and we have a dog bone that steps our 50 amp down to 30. So we're going to plug in the surge protector, and we're looking for a white face on the Watchdog. White face means the shore power is clean. So let's plug it in, and let's see what happens. We have a red face, and we have a E5. So we're going to stop here. We're going to go see what E5 is. Alright, so the E5, there's several things. The app would show you what the errors mean, but we haven't gotten that far yet. But they do have the errors on the box also. And if you look here at E5, line 1 and neutral are reversed. So we're going to stop where we're at. We're not going to plug our rig back in, and we're going to go let the park know that they have the neutral and line 1 reversed on this plug, and then we will pick this video back up once we get the shore power fixed.
2 hours later.
Alright, the park got the power fixed, and as you can see, we are now plugged in. We have a white face on the Watchdog, and now we're going to open the app and get it set up in the app. So you open the Power Watchdog EPO app. We're going to tap to add a new device, because we have no device in here yet. We're going to allow it to, and then there's a barcode that we're going to scan right there. Device name, we're going to call this
Forest.
Forest.
No,
Oop.
you have company. Hi,
Yeah,
Cece.
hi, T. So we're going to hit OK, add the name Forest. Tap on Find Device, and this is going to be Bluetooth. Tap on your device, Forest. Connect to Forest. And we are connected. Alright, we're all connected now. We can go inside and play with the app. Alright, we got it all hooked up. Got the app installed. Now we can look and see. I'm going to go ahead and pull my phone up on the screen right here so you can see what I'm doing. So you can see that this is actually monitoring the wattage, 247 watts right now. It's also going to show me my kilowatt hours I use. So as it runs, it's going to keep up with my kilowatt hours, and if I ever want to reset that to, you know, start monitoring something, I can hit the energy reset here, the little blue arrow to the right, and that'll reset the kilowatt hours back to 0 and then start counting again. Then you also see line 1 and line 2 voltage. So we have 122 volts on each line, and we have the amperage for each line. We got 3.8 amps being pulled on one, 2.9 amps being pulled on the other. So remember, this is a 50 amp service. 50 amps, you run 2 lines of 120 volts. Line 1, line 2, you have 2 hot wires on a 50 amp. A 30 amp is only going to have 1 hot wire, 1 line. So this one being a 50 amp service, you can run up to 25 amps on each line before you worry about tripping the main breaker. But we are stepped down to 30 amp at this park. So again, line 1 and line 2 amperage can only go to 30 amps before you trip the breaker here at the park at this one. So what I'm curious to see is we're going to kick the AC on real quick, and we're going to see if we can see live what happens to the amperage and what leg my main AC runs off of. So let's see how much amperage the AC draws. So we're going to come right over here, and we're going to kick the AC down about 72 degrees. That should make it kick on. And you can watch the meter over here on the right. So it kicked on. Let's see how long it takes to show on the app. So line 1, there it goes, boom. You see that? So it surged to 34 amps and then leveled back out. So anytime an AC starts, you get a surge of amperage and then it comes back down. They do make some kits called soft start kits that can fix that problem, but that's a whole nother video. But right now you can see we're pulling 15 amps, 14.9 to 15 amps on line 1. So this air conditioner, what were we running before? Like 2 or 3 amps. So this AC is actually only pulling probably 10 or 11 amps, which is not bad actually. So together we're running about 18 amps altogether. So now that we have this, Tracy can turn on a hair dryer or anything, and we can actually watch this app and see when we're getting close to 30 amp power in this park. So we won't have to guess anymore. We can see right before we flip a break or anything. Now with this Watchdog, the EPO portion of it, if it detects any problem with shore power, if you surge, anything like that, this Surge Protect will actually shut the power off going to your rig, but it continues to monitor the shore power. When it detects that the shore power is safe, it'll turn your power back on for you. When it does trip and cut your shore power off, you will get notifications on your phone through this app. Any problems that it detects, it lets you know when the shore power is off. It lets you know any problems it has, and from what I'm told, which we don't have a problem right now, we can't see, it'll notify you on the app, and then it'll also give you the error code and what the problem is. So if and when we ever have any problems and I can get those things recorded, I will make another video showing you all the error codes that it'll show. As far as this video goes, you can see simple install. And just a full disclosure, this is not a sponsored video. Hughes Autoformers did not send me the product, so I bought this out of pocket. This is an unbiased review. Like I said, this video is just about the install and setting up the app, and then as we learn more about it, we will shoot more videos as needed. The next video coming out with this Power Watchdog is going to be me adding it to our RV Whisper system, which is one of the main reasons I bought this, is because I can tie it into my RV Whisper system. If you haven't seen the RV Whisper system yet, you can click the link above and you're gonna go see, I'll link up the playlist. You can go watch the installation video of the RV Whisper, and then next video coming out is gonna be the pairing the Power Watchdog with the RV Whisper, and we'll show you all the settings on that. All right, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you give us a thumbs up, click that subscribe button, ring the bell if you want notification, and we will see you guys in the next video, and we will look at the RV Whisper.